Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Lamborghini Aventador in GTA V. First, you'll want to know that the closest in-game equivalent is the Pegasi Zentorno, a super sports car. To acquire it, you'll need to purchase it online through your in-game phone. Make sure you have enough cash, as this high-performance vehicle costs approximately $725,000. This process is straightforward and ensures you get the exact car you desire. Once you're ready to buy, pull out your character's in-game phone. Open the internet browser and look for the legendary motorsport website. This is where all the high-end vehicles are sold. Browse through their selection until you find the Pegasi Zentorno. You can then choose your favorite color before confirming the purchase. The car will be delivered to your garage shortly after. After completing your purchase, the Pegasi Zentorno will be delivered directly to one of your owned garages. It's important to have an open slot available to receive it. Once it arrives, you can head over to Los Santos Customs to personalize your new ride. There, you can add performance upgrades, change paint jobs, and modify other features to make it truly yours. Enjoy cruising in style. While purchasing is the most reliable method, you might occasionally spot a Pegasi Zentorno driving around the richer districts of Los Santos. You could attempt to steal one, but remember, stolen vehicles cannot be permanently saved in your garage unless purchased. For a guaranteed acquisition and full customization options, buying it online remains the best approach. Also, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.